Imagine a world where AI doesn't just answer questions. It solves complex problems, makes decisions, and even pushes human boundaries. OpenAI's next big model, Orion, promises to do just that, rumored to be up to 100 times more powerful than GPT-4. But what exactly does that mean for us? And are we ready for it? Today, we're diving into everything we know about Orion, the revolutionary AI model that could bring us closer to true artificial general intelligence, or AGI. But before we get into the tech jargon, let's unravel why Orion is more than just an upgrade. It's a glimpse into a future that we're on the brink of. Let's start with the basics. Orion is expected to be a leap forward from GPT-4. Not just another chat model, Orion represents OpenAI's ambition to bridge the gap to AGI, AI that can learn, reason, and even innovate. Orion is rumored to be based on something called synthetic data. Rather than just scraping the internet like previous models, OpenAI is training Orion on AI-generated data, allowing it to learn more efficiently and avoid limitations tied to traditional data collection. Fascinating, right? And honestly, this model won't be scrolling through endless online comments to educate itself. Probably a good call there. Now, OpenAI isn't playing around with this one. Instead of a public launch, they're rolling out Orion with select partners like Microsoft to test its power before opening it to the world. This approach could help them avoid some past issues of AI generating biased or, let's face it, downright inaccurate responses. But is all this caution just a safeguard, or could there be more to it? What risks does Orion bring, and why are experts so wary? Let's move to the next part to understand. With Orion's immense capabilities, OpenAI knows that even small errors could have big consequences. Here's where things get even more interesting. Orion isn't just designed to follow instructions. It's meant to evolve. Imagine an AI that learns from its own mistakes, constantly improving without human intervention. This self-learning feature could make Orion one of the most advanced tools ever created. But here's a question for you. If Orion can improve on its own, what happens if it begins making decisions that don't align with our values? Experts are cautious, and rightly so. This level of autonomy means Orion could potentially act outside human oversight, raising serious questions about control, accountability, and ethics. If Orion's decisions conflict with human interests, it could spell disaster on an unthinkable scale. So why move forward with such a high-stakes project? In a word, potential. If managed responsibly, Orion could be transformative. But even the brightest possibilities come with shadows. And we're getting a look behind the scenes to see just how complex this story really is. So, what's the end game here? Orion has the potential to reshape industries, from healthcare and business to entertainment. Picture this: AI diagnosing illnesses with unprecedented accuracy, creating art that moves us, and even forecasting economic trends before they hit. If used wisely, Orion could help humanity advance in ways we once thought were science fiction. Or maybe it'll just become really good at ordering pizza. Fingers crossed for the former, though. But here's where it gets intense. Experts like Miles Brundage, OpenAI's former AGI readiness advisor, have raised concerns. Brundage actually left OpenAI, voicing that neither the company nor the world is prepared for the societal shifts that AGI could bring. Job markets could be transformed, economies could be reshaped, and in the most extreme cases, AI might even drive us into uncharted territory where human roles become obsolete. This isn't just a technical issue, it's a societal challenge. The big question we're left with is this: are we truly ready for a world where AI surpasses human capabilities? And if not, how do we prepare? As we inch closer to the launch of Orion, OpenAI's cautious approach speaks volumes. They're aware of the stakes, partnering with Microsoft and releasing Orion to select partners first. This might just be the beginning of a technological revolution. But whether it's a force for progress or a challenge we aren't prepared for is something we all need to think about. So, what's your take? Will Orion be the breakthrough we've all been waiting for, or a challenge we're not prepared to face? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is a conversation we all need to have. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, AI Fun Tech. And if you're as curious about the future of AI as we are, be sure to check out the next video in the series, where we explore the rapid rise of AI competitors from Anthropic to Amazon. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning.